At 9 o'clock this morning, nearly 40,000 healthcare workers went on strike. Many of them took to the streets around the country. Auckland, Christchurch,
Share the wealth.
Nelson, Wellington,
What do we want? Fair pay! When do we want it? Now!
It's personal for me.
I don't know, but I've been told.
My cousin passed away last week. She had a heart attack, and it took 5 hours for healthcare services to respond to her.
Ultimately, we do this for our patients at the end of the day, but we're also people too. And so therefore we need to be able to keep up with the cost of living, keep ourselves nice and healthy, because if we're not healthy and our well-being's not looked after, how can we, look after anybody else?
We want to be able to have a health system which allows people to access the services that they need in a timely manner. And we won't get that if we don't have the staff.
Safe staffing! Now! Safe staffing! Now!
We're out here fighting for safe staffing. We're fighting for adequate pay for our health sector. We're fighting for the government to take some note of what they've done to the health system in New Zealand.
I'm here because I feel like the national health system of New Zealand is being shafted.
The strikers overpay and a system nurses say is dangerously understaffed.
These nurses are fighting for safe staffing every day, and that's the important thing that people understand. Understaffing in hospitals has real consequences on safety.
Health New Zealand says around 4,300 procedures and specialist appointments had to be postponed because of today's strike. The government today pointing the finger back at nurses and their union.
Striking does not help patients. Thousands of patients have had their care disrupted. Thousands of patients had operations, hips, knees, cataracts, diagnostics, specialist appointments cancelled, postponed because of the action of the union today. Ultimately, they should get back around the negotiating table rather than walking off the job.
One man was taken into custody after allegedly threatening striking nurses with a knife. Bystanders heard the man say his grandmother was dying in hospital.
If we're not safe, you're not safe!
The strike finishes at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Health New Zealand is asking people to stay away from emergency departments unless it is an emergency. For striking nurses, this is an emergency too.
I have been through earthquakes, COVID pandemic and terrorist attack, and to be called a healthcare hero doesn't pay our bills.
Heroes that today are asking to be heard.